A batter is prepared and special ingredients are added to make this delicious Sri Lankan love cake. Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Ahmed. Happy Valentine's Day, and for Valentine's Day I'm going to be making you a delicious love cake. This is a Sri Lankan love cake. I had it at my friend's house over the holidays and it was so delicious that I had to learn how to make it. I got a recipe online from Malika Joseph and this recipe is spot on. It uses some very interesting ingredients like pumpkin preserve and the outcome is absolutely delicious. Before I go any further with this recipe, to make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with lightly toasting 200 grams of semolina. We want the semolina to just heat through without really getting too dark. Keep stirring to prevent burning. Once you get the aroma of the heated semolina, take it off the heat and leave it alone for a few minutes. Now I'm going to add 125 grams of room temperature unsalted butter. Even though my butter is at room temperature, it's quite cold here in Canada, so it may take some time, but it should soften quite easily with the warmth of the semolina. I'm going to mix this and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to whisk 2 egg whites. You can use a stand mixer for this if you like, but I just find it easier to use a hand whisk for such a small quantity. Once the egg whites have reached a stiff peak stage, remove this and keep it aside. Into a larger bowl, I'm now going to whisk 6 egg yolks together with 250 grams of sugar. Whisk this well till it's nice and creamy and you can no longer see the grains of sugar. Once that's ready, put away the whisk as the rest of the ingredients are just going to be gently folded together. First, I'm going to add in the semolina and butter mixture that I made earlier and I'm going to fold it in. Add 1 teaspoon of honey, 200 grams of broken cashew nuts, a half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a half teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of rose water. If you like, you can add rose essence as well. Just add half of it as it's quite strong. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom essence. And now for a special ingredient, I'm going to be adding in pumpkin preserve. This is pumpkin that has been candied. You can get it in a bottle like this or it's also available in a drier form. The pieces are glass-like. I've chopped up about 100 grams and I'm going to add this in. If you can't find pumpkin preserve in most Sri Lankan stores, the closest thing you can substitute is candied pineapple. I'm now going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of grated nutmeg and a 1/4 teaspoon of grated lime zest. These ingredients will be in perfect harmony together. Mix them well. Next, I'm going to fold in the whisked egg whites I prepared earlier. Now, typically this cake is baked in a square tin, but since it's Valentine's Day, I'm going to be adding this to my buttered and lined heart-shaped pan. The bottom has quite a few layers of paper, and this is done to prevent this delicate batter from burning. I'm going to place this in my preheated 350-degree oven for an hour. At the 30-minute mark, cover your cake pan with foil and continue baking. This cake is simply unique and absolutely delicious. Enjoy! Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Sri Lankan love cake. You can make this in your own home now. It's super easy to make. If you love this recipe, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and do tell me what other videos you're looking for so I can start to make those kind of videos as well. Share them with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of my recipes as well. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care, happy eating, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye.